Good evening. My name is Vitalia Leon. I'm going to talk about my husband. His name is Diego Flores. He is 33 years old. He is a driver. He is quiet and responsible. He is his family, and she is his mother. His uh, nephew, and he has three brothers. His father. She's his mother. His routine. He wakes up at 4:30, and he takes a shower. He has breakfast at 5 o'clock, and he goes to work at 5:30. He has lunch at 12, and he returns home at 5. He walks the dog at 5:30 or half past 5. He has dinner at 7 o'clock p.m. and he watches TV at 8 o'clock p.m. He reads a book at 8:30 p.m. and he goes to bed at 9 p.m. Finish. Thank you. Bye.